Here we are with Philip. He's making his famous volcano pie. Philip, what are you doing? What goes into volcano pie?
Ice cream and graham cracker crust.
Oh. And now, what are you putting in there? Oh, cookies and cream.
I use Oreo.
You use Oreo.
Uh-huh.
Or what other kind of ice cream do you use?
Well, I usually put Rocky Road, but I couldn't find Rocky Road.
Oh.
Didn't even have Rocky Road.
Plenty of cinders out there in the road from the ice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that could be a rocky road.
I don't know. You can't eat asphalt.
That would be one drawback, yes.
Yes.
All right. Uncorking the ice cream. And in one smooth fluid motion. Look at that. All right.
I want to say fluid motion.
There we go. Ooh, pile it right in there. Okay, now we put one of the finishing touches on, right?
Yeah.
You put a hole right in the middle
Uh-huh.
to make it look like a volcano. And then what goes in the hole?
Delicious chocolate fudge.
Ooh.
Hot fudge.
Now that's after it's frozen, right? Or about when you're about ready to serve it, right?
When you're about ready to serve it. Yeah.
All right.
That
Excellent.
way it melts the cake.
Nothing like making you make your own birthday pie, right?
Oh, it's fun. I don't mind it because then you get to eat it then.
Yeah. Looking good.
To you, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Philip. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
And that's a volcano pie, huh? All right.
Look at it oozing. Look at that.
Yes. It's oozing.
It's swallowing a small village.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna let you cut this because I've never cut it before.
Oh.
Well, I thought everybody just got a spoon.
I said we just
Yeah, I think that's the way it is.
Oreo crust.
Yeah.
That sounds very good.
Well, they did have the Oreo crust, but it was a smaller one. We had to get the bigger sized one.
That does seem bigger than that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys need extra utensils? Or they have spoons? Everybody has a spoon. Use extra napkins.
This first piece is gonna be a struggle.
Maybe a scoop of volcano.
Well, the ice cream's still hard.
Honey dad.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to let it get hard because then that the hard just softens it up.
It's all coming back. Babies.
I'm waiting for it to go.
Yeah.
Now, where's that spoon at? You think it? What spoon? There's a spoon. See, I like ice cream, that's why. Yeah. Do you like ice cream cake? Yeah.
I've heard Baskin Robbins is good.
Cold Stones look really good. I've never had one.
I don't like theirs because the bottom's cake and then it's ice cream. I like all ice cream.
Nice.
Alright.
That's nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's my second sound birthday card. I like this.
Where's the card?
I have to use this because I'm terrible with opening letters. Oh, I'm still horrible.
Is that card from the headphones?
You have some that don't work on speakers. If speakers don't.
Thank you.
That was a pretty card.
Yeah, it was.
New production.
No,
They still sell those?
Oh, I see something.
Looks like something Steelers,
It
right?
does, yeah. Did you fall into this way? Did you fall into?
Back.
Oh, did you hit your head? Oh, that's good. Nice.
All
I like
right.
the Steelers and the Packers. So.
Oh, there you go.
That is really nice.
That way you're covered either
You're
way.
covered.
You can take scissors and cut out the
Texas.
green
Oh no, it looks like the sticker's there.
They make the shirts.
Yeah, they make the wings.
That's cool.
They make both. Yep.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very